Ah, we are the 90s generation. It wasn't just a time, it was a vibe. We grew up in the days of cassettes and radio. Life was simple, but our hearts were warm. Little street parties, music playing soft. That's where we learned to love without force. Mama would call, come back home, but we were lost in dancing every night. A simple smile could set the heart on fire. That's how love used to begin. Oh, remember how we lived without pressure. Every moment carried deeper emotion. 90s generation, we'll never forget all the beautiful memories carved in our hearts. 90s generation, we carry the flame, even as time goes by. We stay the same. First love, first chills, first slow dance under the living room lights. A little love letter, a small rendezvous. Everything was sweet, no heavy games. Friends together, laughing non-stop. Every little moment had its value. Today life moves so fast, but in our hearts that time stands still. Oh, we truly lived every second without fearing what tomorrow might bring. 90s generation, we'll never forget all the beautiful memories carved in our hearts. 90s generation, we carry the flame, even as time goes by. We stay the same. Even if life takes us far away, in those memories we always find a piece of love that never dies, a time that still shines within us. 90s generation, raise your hands high for all the memories that make us proud. 90s generation, it's more than time, it's a spirit, it's a feeling. Ah, we'll never forget. '90s generation.